Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this video I'm gonna tell you how where to order products with the maximum profit and how to protect your money, how never spend a lot of money. The first thing, when we need to order a lot of different nail designs, I think that the idea of ordering colors and for example the glitter or something else in bulk, I don't think that this is the smart idea. Just because you spend more money and these colors are lying on your shelf or on your table or anywhere else for a long time and you never use some colors. I think the smart idea when you order exact that products that you need. But you know, guys, marketplaces, it's not profitable for some sellers to sell on the marketplace. I mean, in a marketplace like eBay, to sell small containers of the glitter, for example, half of the dollar. They would definitely suggest you to order big set of different colors of the glitter. You know, as for me, I would never suggest my friends on my web store shapeofnail.com order big sets of glitter or something else. I always give a choice to my customers to choose small products, exactly colors they like, with the maximum low prices. So you can make the list of order exactly of products that you need and never pay a lot of money for those colors that you will never need. And this is the good idea, that you never pay for the shipping for each product. In the other case, you would make a lot of orders from different sellers, from Amazon, eBay, and anything else. I don't know, I'm not sure about the quality of products, but you should pay or for shipping of each package, or you overpay for the set. Just because we are smart people, we should always understand that the miracles will never happen, and if the shipping is free, the seller pays for the shipping and he places the price into the price of the product. I mean, the cost of shipping into the price of the product. And it's more profitable when the seller places all products in one package, in one order. So in this case, you pay only for shipping for the one time, or this price of the shipping placed only one time into the package. In this case, the economy may be fantastic. The next reason, there are a lot of problems with shipping of products between European countries because the laws are strict and the liquid product can be blocked with the customs of some countries. We had no problems with customs in Russia. It allows us to send even the rubbing alcohol by plane, and I have sent thousands of times and we had no problems. But for example, if you try to send liquid products from one European country to the other, for example the rubbing alcohol, it can be blocked. That's why, guys, I suggest you to choose the shapeofnail.com to order bulk orders, and you can be sure that you will receive your products in time, you economy your money on the shipping, and you can choose exact that products, that tones, that colors that you need. And you can also have my feedbacks, your help. I can help you right on the bottom of this page on the side. I have the chat window. You can ask me any questions while choosing products. So guys, I love you. Don't forget to watch this video to the end and subscribe to my channel if you watch me for the first time. I want to invite you on my courses for the beginners. So if you watch my videos for a long time and you want to do the nails the same way like I do, I suggest the special courses for you to learn this technique in 10 lessons. I have made the special lessons with my explanations, with checking your homeworks lesson by lesson, with all schemes, with everything I can do for you to bring this information into your brain. So everything I do, I just do to help you, to teach you doing nails by yourself. And this, I think this is the best way, this is the perfect way to learn gel nails technique. If you are so far, for example, if you live in the village and you don't have a chance to visit on live courses, so you can try. For example, in the first lesson, I give you a lot of schemes. You watch these schemes, look at these schemes, and you understand the architecture of the nail on the finger, every secrets, every details, and you start understanding this in all details. And after that, we start practicing. And you can also practice on your friends, on your other hand, on the tips, on the false hand, on everything you have. And these courses gives you a chance to become the nail tech, and you know everything goes step by step. Of course, on the first steps you will have some problems. You will think that you are not good in this deal, but lesson by lesson you will open in yourself the new feelings. You are starting loving this process and you want to do more and more. So I made lessons in the special way, from the simple lessons to the more difficult lessons, and you are climbing up the stairs, and lesson by lesson you are becoming more experienced, and you learn more and more, and of course train your hand. Training your hand, this is the main thing in our work. And as many nails you have made, as many sets you have done, the more skills and experience you have. So guys, I think this would be the great first step for you. I mean my online course, because it costs less than $100, and now with a big sale. And with this first step you will have not only the certificate that I sent you, the certificate will have the special number, it will be available online, it can be checked, it has the QR code. This is the official document which allows you to work in this industry in many countries. So guys, be free to start your career, not only watching YouTube videos, but be the professional nail artist. Earn money, make your career. I work in this industry more than 10 years and I'm happy. I'm looking for the new ways. You can not also only do nails for all your life. You can, in future, you can make tutorials. You can open the nail studio with employer people who work. You just when be the professional, you will understand all details in this work and you will have great chance to make the business. So you can create products for the nail technicians. This is the big world and the great, crazy, beautiful business, and you just can start it with me. I will help you to find the way You would become my partner in the country of selling products of shapeofnail.com, or maybe in future we will create your personal brand. Why not? So guys, you will contact me anytime. Just visit shapeofnail.com. I'm always waiting for you into the chat box window. Just waiting for you. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to watch this video to the end. Bye.